Okay, so today we're going to start our GarageBand training essentially with a very simple tutorial. We're going to click on GarageBand, the icon here, and it's already loading me a project which I don't want. I'm going to go to GarageBand up here. I'm going to go to New. The first time you go into GarageBand, you're going to get this screen. I'm going to click on Songwriter here, and it will call up a set of tracks. Now, if I just press play on the transport bar, you'll hear the drum pattern. We'll get more into the drums later, but we're just going to use this for now. Alright, so I'm going to click back here. I'm going to create a new track, so I'm going to go to Track, New Track, and I'm going to go Software Instrument, and I will create. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to bass, and I'm going to go fingerstyle bass. Now where is this fingerstyle bass? It's right up here. Okay. So now I'm going to record a simple thing where I'm just going to play, you hear the bass here, I'm going to play roots A to F, C to G. I'm going to do that 4 times. Here we go. There's the count in. Alright, now press stop. I'm going to go back to the beginning. Now I'm going to click down on Steinway Grand Piano here. And now I'm into a grand piano part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play an arpeggio, just like this. Ready? Here we go. Okay, so now at this point, what you've got is a drum part, a bass part, and a piano part. Now I want to point out one thing about the piano. You may have noticed that there was little bits where I kind of rushed and I didn't play it perfectly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this little button down here, which is called Time Quantize, and I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go to the 8th note. Now what this means is that the computer will now drag every note that I've played on the piano to the nearest 8th note. Now, because I wasn't massively far off, it should now be in pretty much perfect time. Let's just play the first little bit here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go do the same thing to the bass, because the bass, da 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 da, 1 and 2 and 3. So I'm going to play it as I'm going to go to quantize here as well, and I'm going to go to the 8th note, and hopefully now this whole thing will be locked up. And there you go. So that is our first tutorial, and play through it, recreate it for yourself, and I'll talk to you next time.